I am the king.
Hello everybody, my name is Lily.
And I'm Richard. Welcome to Cvtv, and here's your Wednesday news.
Students, school IDs are mandatory. They must be worn at all times while on campus, which includes hallways and outdoors. IDs must be visible. Teachers, please send any students to the bookstore who are not wearing their IDs. Send them now.
FCA huddle is today, so come on by.
Drama Club meeting is tomorrow, August 25th. We will be playing games, eating food, and talking about the haunted house, festivals, and more.
Our club meets every Tuesday in room 306. You do not need to be in art class to join. You need an interest in drawing and painting. Come join the art fund from 2:30 to 3:30 every Tuesday. See Mr. Bargeman for questions.
Check out the Campo Verde Art Instagram at Campo Verde Art, where you can see the digital photo class's weekly photo challenge winners. Here are a few of the winning photos from last week's challenge on symmetry. Tune in next week to see this week's winners.
There's a Best Buddies meeting in room 502 today after school from 2:30 to 3:30.
Do you have a release time hour in your schedule? Have you turned in your signed release time form? If not, you are in danger of not being allowed to leave campus. The form must be signed by you and your parent. Please turn in your form ASAP. Blank forms can be picked up from the information desk in Building 1.
That's all the news we have today. Have an awesome week and be safe.
Go, 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 go.